Vanakkam. I'm Bala and welcome back to Tamil Wellness Journey. Today we're diving into one of Korea's most iconic and nutrient-packed dishes, kimchi. Whether you've tried it before or you're just hearing about it, kimchi is a powerful superfood that's worth adding to your daily routine. Let me tell you why. Kimchi is a traditional Korean fermented dish made with vegetables like napa cabbage and radish, mixed with garlic, ginger and chili flakes. It's known for its unique tangy flavor and is rich in probiotics, which support gut health. Let's take a look at 5 key benefits of eating kimchi regularly. First, kimchi is packed with probiotics that help balance your gut microbiome, promoting better digestion and gut health. Second, its high vitamin C content helps strengthen immunity, protecting you from infections. Third, kimchi is low in calories and full of fiber, which can support weight loss efforts. Fourth, its ingredients like garlic and chili contain antioxidants that improve heart health by reducing inflammation. And finally, kimchi is rich in antioxidants, helping to protect your cells from damage and promoting overall wellness. Now, you might be wondering, how can you add kimchi to your meals? Here are 5 easy and delicious ways to include kimchi in your diet as a side dish. The simplest way, eat it alongside your meals for a burst of flavor and health in salads. Toss some kimchi into your salad for a tangy twist. Kimchi fried rice. Stir fry some leftover rice with kimchi for a quick and tasty meal. Kimchi tacos. Add a scoop of kimchi to your tacos for extra crunch and spice. Kimchi soup. Make a warming kimchi soup by adding it to broth with some tofu and veggies. Kimchi is generally safe for most people, but if you're new to fermented foods, start with small portions to let your body adjust. The flavor can be strong at first, but once you get used to it, you'll start craving it. So, are you ready to add this Korean superfood to your meals? Let me know in the comments how you plan to enjoy kimchi, and don't forget to hit subscribe, follow, and tap the bell icon for more healthy eating tips. Nandri Vanakkam. See you in the next video.